So this is how to buy cryptocurrency on Ndax. Once you guys have Ndax opened up, first and foremost, add funds to your account. So just select anywhere that says add funds, select your currency. I will do Canadian dollars, and then deposit money into your account. Once you have money into your account at the bottom, you can go ahead and select the option in the middle. Bunch of different options right here, but actually where it says trade, we're just going to go ahead and search up a cryptocurrency. So you can search up a cryptocurrency if you want. You can also just scroll down and see what is being offered through the app. So for example, if you wanted to buy, let's just use, I don't know, what's a good example? Ethereum. I would just press Ethereum, and then you're on the Ethereum page. So once you're on this page right here at the bottom, you'll see buy and you'll see sell. Just go ahead and select buy. Then on this page, you can go ahead and choose your order type. So if you select where it says market, you can go ahead and change the order type. I will leave it at market. And then right below, you can select, how much Ethereum you're purchasing by just going up or going down. You can then also go below that as well. So there's the option there where it says order value. You can go ahead and increase that either. So if you wanted to do like $20 worth, you could type in 20 or 10 or whatever. You can then see the market price, the total order, as well as the fees associated. And where it says insufficient funds for me, that is where it would say buy Ethereum or buy whatever crypto. If you want to change that, you can go to the top left, select a different cryptocurrency. So I got Dogecoin here. Go to the bottom left, select buy, and it works the exact same way. And then you can buy whatever crypto this way. So that is how you guys can buy crypto here on Ndax. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.